So hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can log in into your SSS employee account. To do so, just follow some simple steps and I will show you how you can log in on your SSS account. First of all, open up your Google browser and then go into your search bar and just type for SSS employee login. And here you can see that it will take you to a different screen where many results have popped up on your screen. Click on the first link that shows up. After doing so, it will take you a different interface. Right now, you can see that you have been transported to the official website of SSS or your social security system. And to log into your member ID, you need to input your user ID and password on the left hand side. Now, just input your user ID and passport, then hit on sign in and you can be signed in into your member ID in SSS. And that's how you can log in into your SSS or social security system. This much for this video and I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.